This is the Frisco Greenway Trail, as you can read. Let's have some fun, I guess. Alright. Well, here we go, walking around, doing the walking things. Look at us walking around. As you can see, there are trees, and there are birds and bugs, and all sorts of stuff, like that, and I don't know, a whole lot of clouds. So, yeah, plants and that thing, and probably a dinosaur or something. Just walking around, hanging out. Oh my gosh, it is a thing. I don't know what they're called. They're probably weeds and not good for you. The leaves are kind of starting to turn color a little bit. Those are kind of dying because there hasn't been a whole lot of rain, but they're starting to turn yellow and stuff. It's so scary. I have nightmares about this place. See, those are turning yellow, kind of. Birds. Bird. 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 Squirrel. There's a squirrel. See the squirrel? I do. Squirrel. Surrounded by squirrels. It's like Snow White up in here. Squirrel. I'm gonna get attacked by squirrels. Let's hope there isn't an owl nearby. That would suck. Suck so bad. Into the abyss. It is so scary. Don't know what I'll find out here. Probably Bigfoot or something real shitty. Oh, hey, there you go. Awesome. Thanks a lot, douchebags. Huh. Oh. Alright. Let's hope there isn't a bear. That would suck. I'm just kidding. Ah. Oh. Berry things. Probably shouldn't eat those. They're either poisonous or just not good. Thorny. Glad I'm wearing jeans. I hate nature. It sucks. I am not going through that. No, thank you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's awesome. So there you go. That's I guess part 1 of Nature Trail Walking Extreme Missouri Edition. Stay tuned for future episodes. They will take place in the coming weeks and months. Yeah. Thoughts, reactions, gladly appreciated. As long as they're not criticisms, because I think I'm doing the best job I can. So keep those to yourself. And we'll see you sometime